The Coppertone Girl, she's old school. Like since I was a little boy, she used to be on the side of the I-95 on the expressway, and then she was relocated. And recently, during Hurricane Irma, she got a facelift because the sign is above the building and her face had fallen off, so they had to reconstruct it. Hopefully she'll be around for a while.
Today, we are going to set it off right here in my hometown, Miami's Biscayne Boulevard. In the 1950s and 1960s, this was one of the most vibrant roadside landscapes in the United States. At night, more than 200 neon motel signs illuminated the roadway that reflected the optimism and flamboyant design of Miami's modern MiMo era.
So we're here at the Vagabond Motel.
Among the most recognizable landmarks was this retro beauty right here, the Vagabond Motel. Built in 1953 and designed by architect B. Robert Schwartzberg, with a romantic neon sign, open-air courtyard, and playful geometric forms. The glowing identity of Biscayne Boulevard was shaped in large part by Tropicalites, a sign company founded by Maurice Mo Benjes. Tropicalites fabricated many of the towering neon displays that defined the city's roadside culture. One of their most famous creations was the Coppertone Girl sign, installed in 1959, rising more than 30 feet above the street. This animated billboard featured a small girl whose swimsuit was tucked by a playful Cocker Spaniel dog, revealing the iconic Coppertone tan line. Unlike typical neon signs, this display combined sequential neon lighting with mechanical motion, creating one of the earliest large-scale animated advertisement billboards in the United States. Tropicalites' influence extended beyond motels and advertising, though. When the fast food chain Burger King was founded right here in Miami in 1954 by James McLemore and David R. Edgerton, the company relied on bold roadside signage to attract motorists. Tropicalites produced hundreds of Burger King early neon signs, including the towering King on a Bun pole sign that became a familiar sight outside of Burger King's restaurants across the country. Fun fact, did you know that Miami also gave birth to one of Burger King's most famous menu items? That's right, in 1957, McLemore introduced the Whopper at a Miami location as a larger, more satisfying alternative to the competing burgers. The sandwich quickly became the chain's signature product and helped drive Burger King's national expansion. So together, the Vagabond Motel, the Coppertone Girl sign, and the early Burger King signs transformed Biscayne Boulevard into a glowing gateway to the Magic City. Today, these surviving landmarks serve as a reminder of a time when Miami helped shape the visual language of America's roadside culture. And if you don't know, now you know.
I hope y'all enjoyed a little piece of Miami history. We apologize for the noise. We are in a main highway. It is the city of Miami. So there's going to be background urban noises. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because we do a lot of these roadside attractions, national historic places, and
don't forget to see new places, meet new faces, and always leave a space for love. Peace.